I never imagined something so simple could make such a difference in my husband's confidence and performance. When he first told me about the pineapple trick, I thought it was just another one of those gimmicks, but he insisted on trying it. He had already tested countless solutions, diets, exercises, even expensive supplements, without success. But this time, things were different. He started the pineapple trick, and within just a few days, we both noticed a change. His energy levels soared, and he didn't have that sluggish feeling that always seemed to hold him back. His stamina improved, and for the first time in a long time, he felt in control. The best part? It was easy to stick with no complicated routines or frustrating side effects. It's a simple, natural method that works with the body, not against it. And it's not just about performance. It's about confidence, presence, and feeling like himself again. He even told me he feels younger than he has in years. The best part? You can learn this amazing method right now. But let's be real, this trick isn't easy to get right. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution designed to boost blood flow and restore confidence effortlessly. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.